There are men and women who sacrifice time, effort, and their very lives in the fulfillment of their jobs and duties to give you normalcy. These are the men and women in the Special Action Force, dedicated officers, dedicated troopers who know how to die.
I remember when he left the house, naglalambing ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, Daddy, huwag ka na lang po sumama dahil hindi ka pa okay. Then he replied, Mommy, ayan ka na naman. Hindi mo na naman naiintindihan. Then our little girl also said to him, Daddy, huwag ka na lang umalis kasi gabi na. Baka kunin ka lang po ng mga bad guys. Despite Ryan left, it is a clear manifestation that my husband has put duty first before family. And I understand.
Nakasama daw si Rodel sa lista ng ano. Hindi ko alam sir kung paano ako magsisimula. Baby pa lang anak ko, wala akong trabaho. Wala si justice.
Behind every break,
Nagsisigaw na ng, Sir, reinforcement sir. Wala ba tayong kas-ebak sir? Saan na yung mga reinforcement natin sir? Yung mga sigaw ng mga wounded na kasama ko. Ako rin, sumisigaw din ako ng bakit ang tagal din ng reinforcement? Bakit walang tutulong sa atin?
Pa yan. Kahit na po sinabi nating walang coordination, etc. Kahit na sabihin pa ho natin sino una nagpaputok. Kausap yan eh. Sa usaping pangkatahimikan. Peace talks. Bakit nyo pininis yung mga tao? Ito pong mga taong ito, simpleng mga tao lang ito eh. Kinuha yung isang kriminal. Legal na operasyon. Tatanungin pa natin kung legal pa po ba yan? Terorista yan eh. Kriminal yan eh. Nagpapasakit. Dami ng pinatay niyan eh. Tapos you will blame coordination. Bakit to justify the killing of my people? after fully knowing them, that they are from SAC, they are from government? Wala pong ibang inaasahan itong namatay nitong 44 kundi po tayong lahat. Bigyan naman natin ng hustisya at magpakatotoo sana tayo rito. Hindi ho po pwedeng laging ganito. I seek answers for my people. So that when I die and when my time comes, that I have to face them, at least I can say something. It is always sweet to die for this country. Sana nga ako, sinasabi ko, kasama na ako dun eh. So that I can lie down before you and tell you, salute, mission accomplished. Sagutin nyo lang po ako so that when we face each other all in heaven, I can tell them what happened. My men, I tell you, buhay na buhayan. Hindi nyo man lang pinauwi. Kasama ng kanyang mga anak. Dapat fair play lang ho lahat. That's what I want. Fairness and justice for my men.
Now one day the war finally came to an end, and he spoke with his heart as he stood with his men.
Binantayan namin yung mga patay namin, yung kaming mga wounded. Binantayan kami ng mga hindi nasugatan. Walang aalis, walang aatras, walang magsusurrender. Mamamatay na tayo lahat dito.